Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Tesla. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 8th of September, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 22nd of August, 2025, our system has ranked Tesla as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 1.94. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 1.88%. This translates to an average return of 0.17% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and gradual upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of continued upward movement. Analyzing the current 3-month trend, we anticipate a potential change of approximately 6.54% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 4.67% to positive 13.18%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of around 6.74%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 27.55% to positive 54.9% over the next year. In today's terms, this suggests a future price between $250.97 and $536.58. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, Tesla stock price ended at $346.40 on Monday, after losing 1.27%. The Tesla stock price fell by 1.27% on the last day, Monday, the 8th of September, 2025, from $350.84 to $346.40. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.94%, with a day low at $344.85 and a day high of $358.44. The price has been experiencing ups and downs during this period, showing a gain of 1.88% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is a positive sign since volume should typically follow the stock's movement. On that day, the trading volume decreased by 34 million shares, resulting in a total of 74 million shares bought and sold for approximately $25.75 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $488.54, while the lowest price was $212.11. Currently, the price stands at 29.09%, or $142.14, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which remains the all-time high for the stock. Today's Tesla headlines revolve around 3 key issues: a notable performance-based pay plan for Elon Musk that could be worth approximately $1 trillion if ambitious targets are met, a continuing decline in the U.S. electric vehicle market share, which has fallen below 40% for the first time since 2017, and a surge in newly filed securities class action lawsuits and investor notifications. In the short term, anticipate increased volatility as investors respond to governance concerns and legal developments. This response can put pressure on the stock, as uncertainty prompts sell orders and raises the costs of hedging. The decline in market share indicates tougher competition, which may dampen near-term delivery and revenue expectations, affecting overall sentiment and valuation multiples. Looking to the long term, the pay package presents a dual challenge. If Musk's shift toward robotaxis and humanoid robotics proves successful, the resulting gains could justify a significantly higher valuation. However, the targets are extremely ambitious, increasing the risks associated with execution. The ongoing lawsuits introduce potential financial and distraction risks over time. Collectively, these factors create both opportunities for upside, contingent upon the successful execution of new business ventures, and substantial downside risks if competition prevails in the mass-market electric vehicle sector, or if legal and governance issues continue to persist. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 5th of September 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Tesla a grade of overweight with a recommendation to hold. On the same day, it was reported that William Blair rated Tesla as market perform with a hold recommendation. Additionally, on that Friday, Wedbush rated Tesla as outperform, also suggesting a hold. Moving to Sunday, the 17th of August, 2025, Goldman Sachs provided a rating of neutral for Tesla with a recommendation to hold. Earlier, on Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, RBC Capital rated Tesla as outperform, recommending a hold. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, analysts recommend the stock with a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. The Tesla stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. If the stock experiences downward corrections, it may find support at $339.87 and $329.77. A decline below any of these levels could trigger sell signals. Some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact the near-term developments. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Tuesday, August 26, 2025, and the stock has since dropped 1.5%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 9 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 9 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 24 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 21 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 46 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 72 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. Tesla currently finds support from accumulated volume at $329.65. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock typically exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $13.59 between its high and low, which equates to a change of 3.94%. During the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 3.26%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This extremely high PE ratio indicates that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 22nd of October 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 480 thousandths of a dollar. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for Tesla is at $346.60. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla faces its first support level at $329.65. If this support level holds firm, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 26th of August, 2025, James R. Murdoch conducted an insider sale of 120,000 shares of common stock. On the 3rd of August, 2025, Elon Musk conducted an insider buy of 96 million shares of common stock. On the 11th of July, 2025, James R. Murdoch conducted an insider purchase of 90,000 shares of common stock. On the 11th of July, 2025, James R. Murdoch conducted an insider sale of 90,000 shares of non-qualified stock options, which is the right to buy. On the 7th of July, 2025, Vaibhav Taneja conducted an insider sale of 4,000 shares of non-qualified stock options, which is the right to buy. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 94.032. Overall, insiders purchased 97,101,482 shares and sold 2,289,508 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $331.71, a decline of 4.24%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, which indicates a medium level of risk. A sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 8 days ago. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Tesla stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 9th of September, we anticipate Tesla to open higher by $3.50, starting at $349.90. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.